Deputy President. The Deputy President will be guided on signing the 2 oaths by the Attorney General. His Excellency, the Deputy President, will be signing 3 copies of each oath. The first set of oaths will be retained by His Excellency, the Deputy President, as a solemn reminder of the commitment he has made here today. The second set will be handed over to the Head of Public Service for custody. And the third set will be retained by the judiciary. The oath of allegiance, ladies and gentlemen, is an oath that His Excellency the Deputy President will be faithful and will bear true allegiance to the Republic of Kenya, and that he will also protect and defend the Constitution of Kenya. The second oath, His Excellency the Deputy President has committed to execute his duties diligently and perform his functions according to the law. The Chief Registrar will now transmit the oaths to the Honorable Chief Justice, who will also append her signature to the 2 oaths, 3 copies each. Her Ladyship, the Chief Justice, will be countersigning against the signature by His Excellency the Deputy President. Once the Chief Justice has appended her signature, the seal of the Chief Justice will be affixed on each of the oaths by the court officials. May I kindly invite the Honorable Chief Justice and His Excellency the Deputy President to stand in front of the maze for presentation of the oaths to the public. The Honorable Chief Registrar will be handing over the oaths to the Honorable Chief Justice, who will in turn hand them to His Excellency the Deputy President. May I ask His Excellency the Deputy President and Her Ladyship the Chief Justice to take their seats as they hand over the oaths to the Honorable Attorney General. May I call upon the Head of Public, Your Excellency, you may take your seat. Honorable Chief Justice, please, you may take your seat. At this point, I wish to call upon the Head of Public Service to receive the oaths from the Chief Registrar for safe custody. As I mentioned earlier, one copy will be handed over to His Excellency the Deputy President, another will be retained by the judiciary, and one copy will be handed over to the Head of Public Service for safe custody. Thank you.
But there's another. That's all.
They're both there, yes. At this point, of the program, may I invite His Excellency the President to hand over a ceremonial copy of the Constitution of Kenya to His Excellency the Deputy President, Professor Kithure Kindiki, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Your Excellency. His Excellency the President is handing over the Constitution to His Excellency the Deputy President. Your Excellencies, if you could remain on stage for a brief photo session to commemorate this event. The first photo will feature His Excellency the President and His Excellency the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Thank you.
What happened? What is
Good afternoon. May I invite, thank you. May I now invite Her Ladyship, the Chief Justice, to join in the second photo.
We may take our seats. We may take our seats for the sake of the cameras behind
I
you.
now invite
We may take our seats, please.
the Honorable Chief Registrar and the Honorable Attorney General to join in the next photo. All right. For the second last photo, I kindly request Her Excellency the spouse of the Deputy President, Dr. Joyce Kithure, and Her Excellency the First Lady, Rachel Ruto, to join in the fourth photo, with the request that the Honorable Chief Justice remains in this photo. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. For the final photo, we have His Excellency the President, His Excellency the Deputy President, Her Excellency the First Lady, and Her Excellency the spouse of the Deputy President. I request the Chief Justice to please take her seat. Thank you, Honorable Chief Justice. Thank you, Your Excellencies. You may now resume your seats.
Can I now?
I also request the Honorable Chief Justice, the Honorable Chief Registrar, and the Honorable Attorney General to also resume their seats. Ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the end of our ceremony, I would like to ask us to remain upstanding for the lowering of the mace. this marks the end of the swearing-in segment of the program. I wish now to hand over to the Master of Ceremony to continue with the rest of the program. I thank you.
Tupigie judiciary makofi tafadhali for a job well done. Let's also take this opportunity to give a warm round of applause to the Deputy President